Good morning, everyone. Well, welcome to Wednesday, April 8th. I hope everyone had a great uh, day yesterday, and I saw a lot of cool um, goods and services papers. This was really good. Um, Seems like we got the gist of it now, so that's awesome. I was glad to see that. Made me smile. And great responses too on the questions. Remember, keep using proper sentences when you're doing your responses, and thank you for using text evidence as well to back up your responses. So going into today, if we're looking at our weekly checklists, we are doing our reading assessment. So pretty much what I'm looking for here, you're gonna write a summary. I put 3 to 4 sentences, but it could be like up to 6 sentences is fine. What is this story mostly about? Remember Apple or Cat? Go back, see what it was mostly about. But not just write. You're not just writing what the main idea was. Throw in also if you learned any themes from this reading, like life lesson. Remember life lesson theme. Well, like you could throw in conflict, any conflict that happened, and how did it get solved. Pretty much your overview of what you read. Okay, at least up to 6 sentences, proper punctuation and all of that, and I'll be using that as a grade for yourself for this week. Okay. And going forward, each reading that we'll have, keep that in mind because I'll be holding those summaries as part of your grade. Okay. Um, any questions further on that, just send me a message and I'll explain it. But when you submit it, you could write it out on paper as usual in your notebook, take a nice clean picture of it, or you could type it up on the on Class Dojo and submit it through there. Okay. All right. So that is the first part for reading for today. Oh no, that is reading for today. Oh, okay, I got it. For social studies, we're gonna have a little bit of fun. Okay, come here. So for social studies, I want you guys to think like you're creating a business. Okay, so you're gonna come up with a business plan today. You're gonna have a bit of creativity in creating a business plan for what you want to sell. All right, so here's my business plan layout. All right, I hope I can show it properly there. Okay, so what you're gonna do, number one, what are you going to sell in your business? It could be you come up with any idea. It could be some kind of drink you want to sell, some kind of any kind of product you could think of. Think about something new and what are you going to sell? Who will your target customers be? Okay, so if you're selling toys, your target customer would be who? Kids, right? So you'll target kids with your product. Okay, that's just an example. Number three, when will you open your business? So think about a proper time of the year. If it's around, if you're trying to target kids with a toy that you're selling, think like, okay, when's the best time to do that? Christmas, right? So probably you want to open up your business in October to get in time for the holiday season and sell your product around that time. Okay, just an idea. Number four, where will your business be located? So in when creating a business plan, location's always key. Okay, if it's not such a busy street or a busy area, you're not gonna make much profit. Okay, not much money. So think about where you wanna open your business up. Like for me, if I'm trying to sell toys and I need a busy area, probably gonna look around maybe downtown Houston or a busy part of Pearland. Those are two locations I would think of for my product. Okay. Next question. Why do you think people will want to buy your product? What makes your product different? Okay, if I'm saying I'm selling a special type of lemonade that gives you 5 times the amount of energy as Gatorade, or 5 times the amount of energy of 5-hour energy. Okay, why would people like that? Well, because they like energy and they want more of it, especially during these times. Everybody can use a little bit more energy, right? So think about that. Think about why would people want to buy your product. And then lastly, as a bonus question, how will you get money to open your business? You could say like, okay, my mom and dad are going to give me money to open a business. That's fine. Um, I'm going to work really hard to get the money. That's another good option. Okay. So think about it that way. So 6 questions. I'll have it laid out for you on the on Class Dojo on that, and then you'll write it out and take a picture of it. If you also want to throw in uh, like a little picture you want to draw about what your product is going to be, that's fine as well. Just get creative with it, okay? Have a little fun creating that. And who knows, maybe in the future, you guys could be actually using this business plan to sell your stuff in the future, okay? Become very successful entrepreneurs. In case you want to know, entrepreneurs, people that create and sell products on their own and open up businesses on their own, okay? That's a little bonus there for you. Okay, so have fun with that. After you're done with your writing, um, you're writing for your reading, and that is all for today. Okay, yeah. Any questions on that? As I said, please let me know. And I'm getting back as fast as I can with all of my responses. Okay, I miss you guys so much. This is very challenging time indeed for everyone. But I miss the classroom. I miss you guys, and I just want you guys to know that I think about all of my students every day. It's just the fun times we have, all the ups and downs. It's just like I could really use teaching in a classroom right now. That's just a little insider there. Okay. So hope everyone has a great Wednesday. And I will be back again tomorrow with another video, another activity for you guys to do. All right. Have a good one. Stay safe. And yeah, see you. Bye.